know you can have 5 descriptions on your Amazon listing to help you boost your SEO? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. And if you stay until the end of the video, I'm going to be showing you a tool that I personally use to see if your Amazon SEO is good or is it bad. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to make you a millionaire on Amazon. Let's dive in. Okay, to add 5 descriptions, super simple. You're simply going to log into Amazon Seller Central. You're gonna go to your Manage Inventory. You're gonna find one of your products and you're going to click Edit. So make sure you edit the listing. Once you edit the listing, you're gonna go into Product Details and you're gonna see Product Description. Most categories, it's going to say Add More. So now I have one description here. Now I'm ranking for this. Description number 2. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. So you're gonna have a total now of 5 descriptions to help you rank on Amazon. And what you do is you put this in, you wait 24 hours, you come back, and you make sure that everything is still showing, and you should be ranking on Amazon for these extra descriptions. And since you stayed till the end of the video, I'm also gonna be showing you the tool that shows you if your Amazon SEO is good or bad. So all you have to do is log into Helium 10 and then you go to helium10.com and it's in the description if you need it, but you go to Cerebro and this is a reverse lookup to see if your SEO is good or not. So we're gonna use this as an example. It's a biodegradable, compostable trash bag, right? And we're gonna put the ASIN in here and you're gonna click Get Keywords. Now what this is going to do is scan your keywords and see how many times you're showing up on Amazon pretty much. And anything below, see the organic is 534. In my professional opinion, anything below 750 means your SEO is not good, no bueno, do not pass go, do not collect that $200 because your SEO needs to be optimized. And that's okay, right? Especially if it's a new listing. What you need to do is come back in every 60 days because it's a new listing or it's not generating a 750 rank. Every 60 days you come back in and you re-optimize that listing. You go through your top 10 competitors that are making more sales than you, and you're looking what keywords do they have in their title, what keywords do they have in their bullet points, what keywords do they have in their description that you do not have. Start looking at those keywords, start putting them in your description, in your bullet points. Don't just keyword stuff, it has to sound legit. It needs to all flow. And you can utilize ChatGPT to help make it flow. And then every 60 days you're ranking, you're collecting, Amazon sees the data, it's sticking, and then 60 days later you're optimizing it. And you're coming back to this tool and you can see your organic rank grow pretty quickly. Again, 750 and below is considered not good. 750 and above is considered good in the Amazon game. And that's it for today's video. If you did learn something new, please do drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to the channel because not only are we giving you great tips to help you improve your SEO and your sales on Amazon, but we're also going to be telling you about Amazon's updates and Amazon's news so you can stay updated. If you like this video and you want to learn more and you want us to create a video for you, drop a comment below. And if you need help selling on Amazon, feel free to contact EHP Consulting Group in the description and message us about our monthly management. Our monthly management is where you have your own private consultant that's personally trained by me. What they're going to do is manage your entire account, make sure that they increase your sales, but not only that, help you expand to Walmart, eBay, Etsy, and Amazon international expansion, such as the other English-speaking countries first, like Australia, Singapore, and you can go from there. So contact EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, and I'm signing out.